I have here a really fun tea kettle. We're going to take it out and show you what it looks like. And take it out. It's packaged super nice. It's a fun little bag to hold it in. It's covered so it won't get ruined. Oh, it's super, super, super pretty. It also came with this nice little mitt if you needed it too. If it got too hot, you could use that for that or for your other cooking. So there's a fun little opening button right here, so you can push it down and push it on the bottom to open it. So you want to put water in it, you just pop this little lid off and put water in, and then you can just push it back in, and it is ready to go. Alright, so when you turn it on, once the water's in it, you're not going to want to do it directly on high heat for most stoves. You're going to want to probably just do on medium or medium high. So, because this gets super, super hot and you don't want to burn yourself or ruin the tea kettle. Alright, so now you can hear it whistling, which is really nice, so you can know it's ready to go. Alright, so it's done. It is a little hot around here. The top is not hot. If you wanted to use this, you can if you're worried about getting your hand burnt. If not, you can just turn off your stove and open it. And then pour your hot water inside. And when you're done, just put it back on or take it off the hot stove and close it back up. Alright, so you can see the water is nice and hot. The tea kettle worked really, really well. This tea kettle worked amazing. I really like that it whistles so I know it's hot. If I'm anywhere in the house, I'm going to be able to hear it. I love that it's easy to pour into a cup when it's done. I highly recommend it to anyone that needs a tea kettle. And it's very fashionable, so it's going to be really cute in the kitchen.